Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve three parts of question number first of exercise 14.1, and in this question you have to find the common factors of the given terms. Here in the third part of question number first there are two terms, you have to find its common factors. Now first of all let's find what are the factors of first term. And 14 can be written as 2 multiplied by 7. This is multiplied by Q and this is multiplied by P and this is multiplied by Q. So these are the factor of the first term. Let's find the factors of the second term. 28 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. This is 2 into 2, 4 into 7 is 28, and this is multiplied by P square means P multiplied by P, and Q square means Q multiplied with Q. Now we have factors of both the terms. Now you have to find the common factors. Here 2 is the common factor. 2 is present in both the terms. So 2 is the first common factor. Now 7 is again a common factor. So 7 should be the common factor, and there is one P as common and one Q as common. So one P and one Q is common. So if we multiply this is 14 PQ. So this is the common terms for these two terms. These are the common factors of these two terms. Now let's find what should be the common in these three terms. The first term can be written as x multiplied with x, because x square is x multiplied by x. 3x square can be written as 3 multiplied by x, and third term can be written as 2 multiplied with 2. So if we want to find the common factor, clearly there is no common factor in all of the three terms. So there is no common. So we can write it as 1, because this can be multiplied with 1, multiplied by 1, multiplied by 1. So when 1 is the common factor for three terms. Now let's find what should be the common here. 6 can be written as 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by A multiplied by B multiplied by C. This is the first term. Second term, 24 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2, 4 into 2 into 3. So this is how we can multiply. We can write 24. If you are not able to write it directly, you can find the factors of 24 by dividing by 2. This is 12. 2 this is 6. 2 this is 3, and 3 1. So this is how we can find the factors of 24, and this is multiplied by A and multiplied by B and B. And in the third again, 12 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by A multiplied by A multiplied by B. Now we have already found its factors. Now let's find the common factors. 2 is common in all the three terms. Similarly, 3 is common. A is common, and 1B is also common. So if you multiply this is 6AB. So this is the common term for these three terms. So this is how you can solve this question. Thank you.